$1.99 million sitting in this phantom wallet, and every dollar came from launching meme coins. No chasing pumps, no sniping charts, just a repeatable system that works. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down step by step. I used to be the guy chasing candles, jumping into coins after they pump, hoping I was early, but I was always too late. Everything shifted when I realized the real money isn't in buying, it's in launching. When you launch, you are in full control. You decide the narrative, the timing, and the supply. You're not buying someone else's hype. You are building your own. Right now, Solana is a wild west, and people are aping into anything with a half-decent meme. No coding required, no dev needed, just a good angle and a smart launch. Just pump, dump, and repeat. And I'm about to walk you through how I do it step by step. And obviously this video is purely for entertainment and educational purposes only. Don't copy me. Cap! Here's a problem with Pump.Fun. You launch a coin but you don't really own it. The liquidity is locked in a bonding curve. You can't make changes and your coin might never go live if nobody buys in. That's why I use create tokens.fun full time. It pushes your coin directly to Raydium. No bonding curve, no delays, and full control from day one. You set the supply, manage the liquidity, and your coin is instantly tradable from second one. Plus, because it is on Raydium, the visibility is 10 times better. If you actually want your coin to run like this one, this is the only platform that gives you the tools to make it happen. Now launching on create tokens.fun is simple, and you've got two plays. First, build your own. Grab a trend. Maybe it's a viral video, a politician getting roasted, or some random meme that's catching fire. Set the name, the symbol, and upload your 128 by 128 logo. Then after that, click next and your coin's ready for the next steps. Second, take the shortcut. Hit the copy trending coins tab and it pulls live coins from Pump.Fun that are already getting traffic. You click one and it launches instantly on Raydium. No setup, no waiting, it's on chain, tradable, and ready for volume. Both are solid, but if you want to move fast and catch momentum, I would highly recommend the copy coins because it's basically free money. But anyways, let's stop yapping and let's head over to making the coin. Now, the degen dog coin right here just caught my attention. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago and almost a $60,000 market cap. So I'm going to create coin. Also make sure your wallet is connected to the site right here. So create coin. And then you will get the warning from Phantom. Just ignore it and proceed anyway. Confirm and unconfirm. And then the coin should be copied. Hello, boom. And if I go on SoulScan, you guys can see that it's officially live on chain, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this screen is pretty simple. Basically, we want to make our coin tradable on the blockchain for the public. So here's like your coin, token B, that should be automatic. Under amount token A, click 90%. That's going to put 900 million tokens into the pool. But if you are more advanced, you can basically choose how many coins you want. But yeah, I would highly recommend 900 million tokens. And token B, that's the first initial buy inside your own coin, so you are the first buyer. I would highly recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Sol. I'm going to put 0.4 Solana. And yes, you will get it back after you remove the liquidity. It's completely safe. And now click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet should pop up. Yes sir. And then click on confirm. And then if we refresh real quick and we scroll down, boom, the Dogen coin, whatever the fuck is this, yeah, it is live. We're up $6 already. Let's fucking go. And if we click on refresh, oh my god, now we're up $151, so the coin is going up exponentially. Now, to see the chart, click on view on Photon, and now the coin is live. We're already getting buys, let's fucking go. Okay, we're at a $1.8 thousand market cap. The coin is so fucking volatile. Let me go on full screen for you guys to help for the visuals. Now we just have to sit back, watch the fucking buys come in, and just watch the profits go up. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse for around 30 to 15 seconds, maybe a minute, and I'm gonna be right back. So enjoy. Okay guys, I'm back. As you guys can see on screen, we're at a $5.8 thousand market cap within a couple minutes. Whoops, I have the hiccups. Now, to remove the liquidity, you want to come back to create tokens.fun. And then first of all, we're gonna refresh. Okay, so we're up $1.6 thousand with a $5,000 market cap. And now, to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, and here you can choose how much you want to remove. I'm gonna do 100%, and then remove the liquidity. Your phantom wallet should pop up, and as you guys can see, we're gonna receive 9.3 SOL. Now click on confirm. And just like that, we just removed the liquidity. Now if I open my phantom wallet, that's $1.7 thousand.